For over 20 years, the High Performance Systems family has been laying epoxy floors, and this is the best of 2024. Epoxy floors are durable, stain-resistant, and easy to maintain, making them ideal for high-traffic and commercial areas. They provide a seamless, non-porous surface that prevents mold and bacteria growth, contributing to a cleaner and healthier environment. Additionally, epoxy coatings can include slip-resistant additives, enhancing safety in spaces prone to spills or wet conditions, while their resistance to scratches and chemical spills ensures long-term functionality and reliability. With their low maintenance requirement, epoxy floors are a cost-effective solution for industrial and commercial applications. For more information, contact us at 800-928-7220 or visit our website at highperformancesystems.com.